welcome back to BBC Earth 2. This is chicken versus duck 2. As you can see, another duck herd comes. They don't suspect the attack until it's too late. Oh my gosh, the chicken's starting a stampede. Oh my gosh. This is incredible stuff. Flying bird things have already came. Just a sec. We need to get some better action in here. Let me lure the predator out with some bread. Bread! Can't see what bread went places. Oh my gosh, the herd's attacking back. Whoa. Whoa, prey versus predator. Is the hunter gonna become the hunted? Whoa. I don't know, guys. Oh my gosh! Alright, the ducks are too cowardly. Wow. That chicken is just too menacing for them, I guess. Dang it. As you can see, ducks are incredibly efficient runners, being able to travel at Mach 5 with their amazingly muscular legs. The chicken's attacking again. My gosh, he seems to be going at a slower pace. Oh my gosh, the ducks are making threatening neck seizures. Yes, silence the ducks. You may not have gotten a meal now, but you know, at least you scared the stuff out of them. This will be the end of BBC Earth 2. Goodbye.